Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to use AI tool to fill up eBay description. Okay, first you have to log in your eBay account, then going to create listing, then put your title. Can going to click this button. Okay, continue without match. Use item, continue listing. Okay, today I'm going to sell my MTD 42-inch yard machine tractor transmission. Then going to scroll down. I put again that description for support to AI. Okay, now you can see that use AI description. Then you just have to click this one. Now you can see generating automatically description. This is a high quality lawn tractor. Is perfect for keeping your yard well maintained and transmission. It is sure provide you with your years reliable services. Everything you can see that description. Now you can see all information automatically generate with the AI description tool. Okay, that's the way guys how to put your description with the AI tool. Okay, if you doesn't like, then you can undo. You can see that undo AI description. Just click. It's going to be remove that AI description. Okay, once again, if you like, then you can re-click again, use AI description. Okay, generate that AI description. Alright guys, that's the video today how to generate AI description to your eBay account. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.